Hi, everybody. Dr. J here. Just thought I would check in at the beginning of the week and give you greetings. It was way cool this afternoon because I saw the Lady Pirates out running on the waterfront trail when I was walking with my friend. So that was totally awesome. Go Pirates! And uh, I hope we can have sports with an audience because I'm a big fan. So anyway, just keeping my fingers crossed for that. I hope you're all doing well. There's a lot of unrest in the world. Um, Stay safe. Hopefully, you won't be going to any state capitals this weekend. I sure wouldn't. And anyway, about the class, um, if you have had me before, and quite a few of you have, you'll notice my classes look a little bit the same and a little bit different. There's less clicking around. The assignments for each week are right on that front page. And somebody emailed me and asked if there's like an assignments link to find all the assignments. And no, I would rather you just find the assignments on the page, and they're in blue font. They're links. You can't miss them. And the reason why I changed the format of my class is because I found that many of the students just worked from the to-do list or the assignments list instead of actually going into the class and reading the instructional content. And it's just absolutely vital that you do that, because if you don't, you're missing the whole class. Anyway, so you just go to that homepage and that's what opens up and that's what you work through every week. Please keep those questions coming. I'm always happy to answer questions. If big disastrous things happen, I guarantee that I will be distracted by the news, but I will still try to get in and answer your questions. Let's see. I have a list of things that I wanted to talk to you about and just tell you you're doing great. So this is not not anything bad. So each week most classes have a discussion, and I don't like to teach online classes where everybody doesn't even interact with each other. I can't even imagine teaching a class like that. That would totally suck. And so I want you to interact with each other. So you all have discussions. I always ask open-ended questions because what I hope is that you're going to give detailed answers to the questions in there, because that kind of thoughtful and insightful content, that's what makes the class interesting, and reading each other's views. And some people feel as shy about responding to their classmates and even posting initially in a discussion. They feel as nervous about that as they would speaking up in class. This is our way of having a class discussion, right? And I guarantee that whatever you have to say is going to be valued and thought about by your classmates. And so try not to worry too much. This is a writing class and it's also practice writing. So answer as detailed as you can, but you don't need to write a novel about it either, because they are just 20 points a pop. And so do the best you can and answer in a fair amount of detail to 3 classmates. So the idea of discussions is that you do the reading for the week by Tuesday at midnight, or actually by the time you post at the discussion on Wednesday. I'm not looking for exactly when you post your initial discussion or when you do the readings, I should say. And the initial discussion post is due by 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday, and you have clear until Sunday at 11:59 p.m. to respond to 3 classmates. So make sure that you do that, and you can earn all the points possible on there. Let's see. So that's the how-to on the discussions. So some of you guys have a online exercise. Online exercises are usually due on Thursdays. My technical writing class is a little bit different. But you'll probably have online exercises too that will be due on Thursday, just not one for this week. And tech writing has a small little paper due on Sunday where you'll evaluate the syllabus. And let's see. And I have a IOU to tell you about. And IOU, English 102 students, detailed directions for essay number 1, which I will get within the next day or so. And I owe you, all of you, a quarterly course calendar. And I give that to all my classes. Take some time and detail to develop, and you can read ahead. You can look exactly what the readings will be and when the assignments will be due. So anyway, I hope you have a great week, and I will see you in class. Keep those questions coming. If it's kind of more personal in nature, some things due when, or you have life issues coming up or something, that's a place to email me in Canvas. And the other questions, like class questions, I guarantee that if you have a question, other people do too. So make sure and ask those and ask Dr. J. All right. Well, thanks for listening, and I'll see you online.